Hello again, everyone. This is your friendly neighborhood dental hygienist. Hello. So today, using this dental form that I have with me, I'm going to teach you how to properly power brush your teeth. Let's get to power brushing. So I have this Oral-B IO series electric toothbrush. And the way to use an electric toothbrush is a little bit different to how you would use a manual one. So let me show you. Let me zoom into Mr. Dental Form here. So you see how the gums wrap around the teeth and they kind of roughly form a zigzag line, you could say. And this line of the gums is where we should be aiming our toothbrush bristles at. So, for example, if we're doing the bottom teeth, and this toothbrush has multiple settings on it. So I recommend using the gentler setting. So that's the gentlest setting, the lowest power setting. That's the medium, high setting. So stick to the gentler setting. And when you start to brush, make sure the toothbrush bristles contact the teeth mainly, but part of the bristles should be overlapping with the gums so that when you brush, you're cleaning out the gum pockets. We all have gum pockets and they catch plaque, food particles, that kind of stuff that is not good for the gums and that can cause the gums to get inflamed and then become bleedy. So brushing this way is essential. So using the gentle setting, adapting the toothbrush along the tooth and the gums, and just spending 2 seconds per tooth and then following the curvature of the tooth, kind of like that. You can see the bristles are contacting the tooth, never mind the shaved tooth, and the gums at the same time. So you're cleaning the gum pockets and your tooth surfaces at the same time, making sure that your gums and teeth both are clean and in optimal health. Once you're done with the cheek side of the teeth, then you would open wide and then make sure same thing on the tongue side. You're contacting the tooth mainly, but part of the bristles are overlapping with the gums. And you're going slowly, giving 2 seconds per each tooth, making sure you're touching the gums everywhere. Because if you don't, the plaque, bacteria, food particles, they love to hide under the gums and the gum pockets. And that's one good session for the bottom. And you repeat the same process for the top. Again, you would keep the toothbrush bristles on the teeth and overlapping with the gums at the same time. Following that gum line, going slow, that's the main thing, because people tend to rush toothbrushing, but this is why you should go slow, because you want to make sure that you get the toothbrush everywhere, you get all the particles, you get all the plaque cleaned out from the teeth, as to the best of your ability, right? And with electric toothbrushes, they do all the job for you. All you have to do is do the right adaptation. There we go. We're brushing the teeth and the gums. Oh yes, I can feel the teeth getting clean. I love cleaning. Is that why I'm a hygienist? Maybe. You can see. And the key is to hold your toothbrush very gently. Try not to palm your toothbrush. That's another thing. Because a lot of people, they're really grabbing their toothbrush and then holding it tight. And what that does is it puts a lot of pressure on the gums. And then that can cause the gums to recede over time. So making sure your toothbrush you're holding is just kind of like with your fingers. And you're holding it very, very lightly, gently. Don't clench it. Just hold it like that. All right, so that's a little demo on brushing. Hope you enjoyed it. Try it out. Tell me how you feel about it. And yeah, happy brushing and flossing. Enjoy good dental health and overall health. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.